Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Creating and running Python scripts in Bash. Introduction. Python is a powerful scripting language, and when combined with Bash, it becomes a versatile tool for automating tasks and managing system processes. This tutorial will guide you through the process of creating and running Python scripts within a Bash environment. We'll cover the basics of writing a Python script, making it executable, and executing it using Bash. Let's start by creating a basic Python script. Open your favorite text editor and create a new file named myscript.py. Add the following content. This script simply prints a message to the console. To run a Python script directly from the Bash shell, you need to make it executable. Open your terminal and navigate to the directory containing myscript.py. Use the following command to grant execute permissions. This command allows the script to be executed as a standalone program. Now that your Python script is executable, you can run it directly from the Bash shell. Use the following command. This command tells Bash to execute the script using the Python interpreter specified in the script's shebang line, #usr/ben/env-python3. You can pass command line arguments to your Python script. Modify your script to accept and print command line arguments. Now, when you run the script with an argument, it will greet you by name. You can integrate your Python scripts with Bash commands. For example, create a Bash script, myscript.sh, that calls your Python script. Make the Bash script executable. Then, execute the Bash script. By following these steps, you've learned how to create, make executable, and run Python scripts within a Bash environment. This combination provides a flexible and powerful way to automate tasks and manage processes on your system. Experiment with more complex scripts and explore the vast capabilities of Python and Bash scripting. ChatGPT.